Just imagine that you went to the salon and they told you that your hair is damaged, that you need to cut your hair. And just look at the length of this hair that you be cut. It's so painful. It was so painful. Guys. Guys. Hey, today I'm going to show you how I made this hair and then show you how I cut my hair in the process. So, guys, stay tuned and I'll be right back.
Oh, it's Rita, baby.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rita. So in today's video I have a special hair care routine to share with you all. So if you are new here, I'm so glad you stopped by. So this is all about maintaining healthier hair while doing twists. To me, this is the way I grow out my hair. I've been doing this for years, but sometimes I got lazy. I mean, when I say lazy, I got lazy to braid my own hair. You saw the ponytail I packed my hair into. That's the way I just left my hair. And I've been, each time I wash my hair, I keep on going back to this low ponytail because I feel it's easier. If I don't want to expose my hair, I just wear a wig. But today, because I was seeing some things in my hair that was making me not happy, I decided to do the needful. So yeah, as I was twisting my hair, I kind of took my time to carefully divide it into sections and I started by spraying a bit of water to dampen each section because my hair is kind of a little dry. So this helped to manage my hair better. And then I applied some hair gel. At a point I stopped using it. I don't want too much build-up in my hair. So what I did was I think I only did it at this back section mostly. So I braided my hair down like few times. So I divided the remaining hair into two, and then I added anti-Jackie's don't shrink gel on my hair and I braided it down. So this is what I did at this back section. So guys, I don't know if you can notice what I'm saying. Can you see this hair? Can you see that I've got split ends in my hair? The inner part is thicker and healthier, but this hair is looking something else. I don't know what it is. Looking like something like, this, sorry, don't mind me, some animals that doesn't have hair, that don't have enough hair. That's how that split end is looking at now. Anyway, so I continue twisting, and there comes a part, that important part of my routine, where I braided each section. Like I said, if I want to grow my hair out, this is the best option for me, by doing some twists. I wanted this to last longer. Normally what I do, I just start twisting from the root, but I wanted this hair to last a bit longer, so I made it, I just have to do some few braids before twisting it. So guys, as I braided each section, I noticed that some of my hair had split ends and damage, like I said earlier. So it can be tough to see, but I made a decision to just trim off those ends, as you're seeing. Even though it feels a little bit sad to cut off parts of my hair, it's crucial for the overall health of your hair. So removing damaged ends helps to prevent further breakage and promote healthier growth. So guys, as you can see here, this hair is kind of healthier than those ones I've already cut. So it's not all my hair that is being like that. So the ones that have that kind of split ends, I just tend to chop it off, because there is no point of me leaving it there. It's just going to keep breaking, and it's going to be affecting the other parts of my hair. So but with this method I was doing is a perfect way for me to be able to see that split end and just chop it off. So that's my advice to you guys. If you have split end, please just cut it. Let your hair thrive more. It will grow. It's just hair. It is just hair. It will grow back. So guys, as you can see, I finished trimming this one. Just see, I have to cut this one too. I just finished braiding that hair. I saw that it's, it's not looking good. Let me just trim it. So what I did after cutting each hair, I just applied some gel at the tips and then twerk it a little bit. It's painful. It's painful. You can tell from my eyes that this is so painful. It's painful. It's okay. So not to be okay, So as I'm drawing close to the end of this video, you can see I'm almost at the front. I'm at the front already. So I spray in some water because my hair is still feeling dry. Just spray some water and then divide my hair in section and continue braiding. So yeah. The painful part is the more you braid, the more you see them. Just look at this one. See how long this one is. And now I'm thinking whether I should cut it. But I have to. It's painful. Bye bye hair. Bye bye. Hey. Ah. I'm crying now. It's so painful. Thank you for us. Thank you. I'm fine though. I'm fine. Let me just continue. So this is what I've just been doing. Well, it doesn't matter because I knew how I started making my hair. I knew how long my hair used to be, and then I trimmed it off and I started again. So yeah, it's not a new thing though, but sometimes it still feels strange when you're cutting your own hair. I'm telling you, if it's someone else that is trimming my hair like this, I'm sure I'm going to go home with a long face. I will not be very happy. Just let me know if you have trimmed your hair or somebody have trimmed your hair. Like, trim it in a way that you say when you see the hair you'll be getting and you are just upset. I don't know if you understand what I mean. Like, you're getting upset that someone else is cutting your hair, but if you do it yourself, you're not going to feel that much pain because you purposely did it by yourself. You see this one too. There you see him. It's going off. Cut, snip. That's it. So I'm just trying to show you guys what I'm cutting off from, so that you will not say that this is too exaggerating. I'm cutting it. This one too is going. Cut it off. And that one I cut it too much, but it's okay. It's actually still long, see it. So, but yeah, look at this one. See what I cut from this one. Just look at what I cut from that one. So anyway, this is the last bit of the braids. I'm dancing to some music. I'm listening in the background. So it's making me feel like encouraging myself that it is well. The hair will grow back. Okay. So you can see how thick the hair is looking now. Those ones, especially the one at the back. This one too will also swell like others when it's drying to start looking big. I don't even care again. So I'm done with my hair. So after finishing the braids, I like to use some special mists in my hair, that's which I will not be showing you in this video sha. So if you want to know how I make it, just comment in the tell me in the comment section so that I will know when to prepare it for you. Some mist I love to use to regrow my hair. So I love to use my clove, my rosemary and coffee, and also my green tea. I just make them and prepare them, and then maybe overnight or few hours, and then I sieve it and put it in my bottle spray. And these blends, it smells amazing. I also add some essential oil so it will smell nice when I'm spraying that in my hair. And this also helps to stimulate hair grow and keep my hair moisturized every day. I spray this every day. So I spray the mist onto my hair before applying my leave-in conditioner and hair growth oil. It's all about consistency and not and nurturing your hair from the roots to the tip. So here I added some accessories in my hair just to make sure, just to make the hair look more, cool and fine. So I hope you find this routine helpful and inspiring. Don't think your hair will not grow back. Hair is meant to grow back, so it will grow back if you trim it. So remember, taking care of your hair is a journey. Every step counts. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment in and sharing your thoughts about what you think. And don't forget to subscribe for more hair care tips and tutorial. So you can see me styling my hair in different methods. I want to try this side, I want to try that side. So at the end of the day, I just decide that I'm going to wear it in a particular way. But if I'm tired, I can easily switch things up. So if this hair is getting rough, I will just instead of losing everything, I can as well just lose one, replate it. Or and if you want to know how I'm going to wash my hair with this, right, sometimes I wash my hair like this. So once I wash my hair like this, I know it's rough, so I'll start taking it down and replaiting it, applying the same things I applied in this video. So that's basically what I do and how I trim my hair. So my hair is looking more fluffy, more bouncy, more fuller. Yeah, well, this is a comforting myself, okay. Comforting myself. So these are the hair that I lost. Just look at them. Oh, well, it's fine, it's fine. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. So I'll see you in my next one. Bye.